Welcome back. Before we start typing any Java codes, I should mention a very important topic, which is the comments. In Java, comments are used to write notes or explanations within your code. Comments are not executed as part of the program, but are instead intended for developers to read and understand the code better. In the previous lesson, we wrote this line of code. But if we run the program, this line will not be executed because it's a type of comments, and it's single line comments because it starts with these two forward slashes. Comments in general help improve code readability and make it easier for others, including yourself, to understand your code later on. There are two types of comments in Java: the single line comments and multi-line comments. The single line comment, this is like this. To add a single line comment, you can use two forward slashes at the beginning of the line, and anything written after the slashes are going to be ignored by the compiler. Here's an example. For example, this line right here, your code, if we run the program, it will not be executed. The multi-line comments. Multi-line comments, also known as block comments, are used when you want to write comments that span multiple lines. To create a multi-line comment, you enclose the comment between the forward slash and the forward slash with the asterisk. So, for example, here we start with the forward slash and this asterisk and another asterisk and this forward slash. Then between these two lines, I'll include the comments, the multi-line comments. Hello, my friends. All these lines are not being executed. They are ignored. Okay, this is the multi-line comment, and this is the single line comments. So comments will help you to explain complex logic, documenting code functionality, providing instructions to other developers, or temporarily disabling portions of the code for testing purposes. Later on, we'll see these comments a lot in our project.